Kids, today we will learn that how many months are there in a year and the name of the months in a year. So let's start. I am not talking about the part of body year. I am talking about a whole year that is constructed by the months. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay, there are 12. There are only 12, not more than 12, not less than 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, our first month is January. Our first month is January. The month after January is February. Our second month name is February. Our third month is March. The month after March is April. You all have listened the word of April Fools. Our fifth word is May. And the next month is June, the favorite month for students because the off for the school, the rest. June. Our seventh month is July. After July is August. After August is September. After September there is October. And after October there is November. And that's a fact that like today there is December, and the name of month of today is December. Today is December 8th. December is the last month of the year. December. So let's revise one more time. First month, no. Dear kids, how many months are there in a year? 12. Correct. Our first month name is January. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in the year. Dear kids, we are doing a little quiz. That's our first and the last question. I have told you many times. Remember and listen the question. How many months are in a year? I have told you many times. A, 8. B, 13. C, 9. D, 12. Dear kids, you are correct. D is correct answer. Dear kids, that's all for today. I will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.